Hello, 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 and welcome back to Baby We Eatz. Today we are making Tex-Mex egg rolls. This is like a copycat recipe from Cheesecake Factory. I love these egg rolls when we go to Cheesecake Factory. This is always an appetizer that we order for the table. They are filled with Southwest chicken mixture, and you can pair this with any dipping sauce that you have. For our ingredients, we have chicken breasts, onions, garlic, cumin, chili powder, kosher salt, black beans, corn, bell pepper dice. We have tomatoes, shredded cheddar cheese, and some cilantro. A pack of egg roll wrappers and oil for frying. Now we're going to add our oil to our skillet pan on high heat. We're going to add our chicken, and here I'm just going to stir it around a little bit. And next, I'm going to add in my chili powder, some salt, some cumin, and we're just going to mix everything together. I am just going to mix in my minced garlic. Here I'm adding in my chopped onions, and I'm just going to mix my onions in. Here we're going to add in our diced green peppers. We're going to mix that in a little. Here I'm just adding a little bit of salt. And I'm just going to mix that salt in. Now we're adding in our corn. Next we're adding in our black beans. Here we're adding in our tomatoes. I did cook my chicken through before I started adding in my vegetables. And here I'm just adding some cilantro. And once everything is cooked through, we're going to turn our skillet off. And we're going to move on to preparing our egg roll wrappers. You want to add at least 3 tablespoons of mixture in the middle of your egg roll wrappers. You want to work kind of fast because your egg roll wrappers will dry out. So here I'm adding about a tablespoon of cheese in each egg roll wrapper. And then I'm going to start adding my mixture. Here you want to make sure that you wet the edges and roll tightly. I did use different cheeses on some of my egg rolls. I used cheddar cheese and then I used some provolone cheese. And once you're done, you want to set your egg rolls to the side. And you want to set a pan to heat with some oil. About 1 inch high will do the trick. Once I'm done rolling my egg roll wrappers, I'm going to want to fry them. You want to make sure that your heat at least 350 to 375 degrees, depending on what you're using. I'm using a deep fryer, and I'm adding anywhere from 3 to 4 egg rolls. You don't want to overcrowd your oil. And once they have browned, you can take them out and dry them on a cooling rack or some paper towels. And here our egg rolls are done, and I'm just breaking it open so you can see how cheesy and ooey gooey they are. And they were delicious. I know I say this in every video, but hey, they were yummy. And today we made some Tex-Mex egg rolls. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eats. And if you like this video and you want to see more like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.